If you're looking to optimize your lead pages for conversions, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know about getting the most out of your lead pages account, from design tips to key settings and tools you might be overlooking. Whether you're new to lead pages or have been using it for a while, stick with me to the end. I'll be showing you how to maximize your conversion rates and also offer some amazing alternatives that could do it even better. So let's dive in. The first thing to focus on when optimizing for conversions is your landing page's design. While LeadPages offers a variety of templates, it's important to remember that not all of them are designed with conversion in mind. Keep it simple, clear headlines, concise copy, and high-quality images. The more clutter-free your page, the easier it is for your visitors to focus on the key action you want them to take. Too much text or too many options can overwhelm users, and the last thing you want is for your visitors to bounce off your page. Next thing to consider is mobile optimization. LeadPages does provide mobile responsive templates, but sometimes they still need a bit of tweaking. You want your landing pages to look great on mobile, considering that a huge percentage of visitors will be coming from mobile devices. Make sure buttons are big enough to tap, images load properly, and your content is easy to read. A poor mobile experience can hurt your conversion rates more than you might think. The third thing to adjust is your form placement and length. Longer forms can lead to more drop-offs, especially if they're asking for a lot of personal information right away. Try to balance your need for data with a simple user experience. Keep your forms short, asking for only essential information, and place them strategically where your visitors are most likely to take action. You don't want your form to be buried at the bottom of the page. Make it visible without overwhelming the visitor. The fourth thing I'd recommend is testing and experimenting. LeadPages has A/B testing built right in, and this is crucial for optimizing your conversion rate. Start by testing small changes, headlines, button colors, or the position of your form, and see what works best for your audience. Continuous testing allows you to make data-driven decisions and make tweaks to improve your conversions over time. Without testing, you're just guessing. Now, let's talk about the value proposition. Make sure that what you're offering is crystal clear and compelling. Whether you're promoting a free trial, a discount, or a special offer, it has to be front and center. If your visitors can't instantly understand what they'll gain from filling out your form, your conversion rates will suffer. LeadPages lets you easily highlight your offer using attention-grabbing buttons and call to actions, so take full advantage of these tools. And finally, let's talk about integrations. LeadPages integrates with major CRMs, email marketing platforms, and payment systems, but sometimes the integration process can be a bit tricky. Make sure your email follow-up sequences are automated and synced with your CRM to keep your leads engaged. The goal is to streamline your workflow so you can focus on what really matters, converting those leads into customers. Now, while LeadPages is a solid option for creating high-converting landing pages, there are some excellent alternatives that might give you even better results depending on your needs. These platforms not only offer powerful landing page features, but also more advanced tools to optimize conversions. I've linked them in the description, and through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and if you're ready to take your landing pages to the next level, be sure to check out those alternatives. Happy converting!